You like dog shit anyway, so it doesn't make any.
Why? Auctions.
Huh? You're literally dumb. I say you literally like dog shit. Little dog shit.
No.
That's why your taste buds don't make any difference between the microwave lasagna and dog shit. Huh? You're so fucking dumb. You're so dumb. You can't even use an oven or a frying pan. You're so dumb.
Yeah, because I don't cook.
Yeah, because you're dumb.
I'm not gonna fucking cook for anyone.
Because you're stupid.
Yeah. Do you know why I don't cook? Because
you're lazy. You're lazy.
Listen to me,
you're
I'm not lazy. I microwave everything. That's how I make my food.
Why would you microwave? Do you microwave pasta?
Yes.
No, you don't do that. You don't do that.
You can put like reach the breaking point.
How? Okay, if I have frozen pasta, I'm gonna microwave the pasta because it's fucking the heat, you know.
Oh my god!
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. You literally don't microwave pasta because it gets dry. It gets dry. It gets hard.
I'm wondering. That's why.
Is it like? Do you think pasta is like a plant? You stupid ass. You don't microwave. You don't microwave pasta because of that.
Do I heat frozen food? It's what I microwave.
First of all, let's make an example. No, listen to me. Listen to me, you dumbass. Listen to me, you dumbass. Look. If you turn on your oven, if you preheat your oven before you get the lasagna out the package, okay? You get the package. You take the lasagna and you put it on a glass.
Okay.
All right.
No.
Wait,
I
shut the fuck up, you dumbass. Listen to me. Listen. No, you listen to me. I was talking.
No, I get what you're saying.
You're literally dumb.
To me.
You can't even listen to me. Shut the fuck up. Listen to me.
The package. Okay.
I don't fucking care about what the package says.
Okay.
Let me tell you a story.
Let me tell you a story. Okay, wait. Let me tell you a story. Right. So when I was in Lisbon, I
don't care about it.
No.
No, I don't fucking care.
No, let me just tell. Okay, so back when I was in Lisbon, I bought a frozen pizza, right? And I was home alone.
Okay.
I was home alone. And the pack.
You do not put pizza in a microwave.
Guess what I did?
Oh my god! Oh my god! You don't microwave pizza! You don't microwave pizza! Have you ever microwave steak? Have you ever microwave steak? Have you ever microwave bread? Have you ever took the bread dough and microwaved it? You have never, because you're dumb. So listen to me. If you get the lasagna, no, wait, Trent, let me talk. If you get wait, Kunikii. If you get the lasagna, you put it on the tray and then put it on the preheated oven and look at it. You can clearly see when it's done or not, and it tastes well. If you take a pizza and preheat the oven and put the pizza in the oven and look at the pizza, you can't see when it's done or not. And it tastes well. If you take pasta, the best way is put on whatever you used to cook it and heat it with a little bit of milk because it hydrates the pasta. You don't use a microwave because it dries the food and makes it look like little dog shit with cum on top of it. It doesn't look good.
Okay. Listen.
Oh no, he's going insane now.
Listen.
See, this is what happens when you eat microwave food. You literally look like a pedophile right now.
Fucking piece of shit! Oh my fucking god! Okay. If
No,
package-
no, shut the fuck up.
Shut
No.
the fuck up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Oh my god. It's a package! It's a fucking package!
I don't
Says,
fucking care about the package.
Ah!
It doesn't.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you in your fucking open room! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Oh my god.
So bad.
I can't breathe.
He's so pissed.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Your microphone's close to him.
I think you
That
came
is-
out more scarred than he was.
This is funny. This is just
You know what?
funny.
I'm going.
This
I'm
is the
fucking-
funniest shit I've ever heard. It's just fucking
No,
him
no, I'm-
screaming the moment you say anything again.
I'm
It's
calling.
just like it's like an angry autistic kid when you tell him to like go to like sit in the corner because they did something bad. He's like,
Fuck you. Fuck you. Hi, Kuni.
he's not in.
So listen to me.
Did you
You see,
call him?
if you take a pizza and you put it,
What is he doing?
you literally. Hello, Kuni. He put me on hold. Fucking dumbass.
He's so mad.
Dumbass. I'm gonna wait.
Oh my god, bro.
Jesus Christ! I've never seen someone get so mad.
Kuni,
Christ.
my friend, my homie.
Oh my god.
Have you took the time to look at the oven already?
Let's just stop. My,
I think he gave him a headache, man.
Oh.
Well, you
Jesus.
see, this is a teaching lesson. With me, I'm like Gordon Ramsay.
but the package says to microwave the
Fucking about the
Oh, God.
package. The package. Oh, he says,
Oh, God.
dumb people, put it on the microwave. He says, the smart people, put it on the oven. So it tastes.
I'm not gonna fucking microwave again.
He or just go, "Oh, no, 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 no."
So Kunikii,
Oh my god.
if you use the oven, if you look at the package, it probably says the dumb people microwave it. The smart
I'm gonna get
Chad
the fucking
Sigma males.
I'm going on my phone. I'm going on my fucking phone to show you it says fucking microwave that shit.
Oh
my god. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh, I thought you did say, oh my god.
Hi,
Most intense
Kunikii.
discussion over fucking microwave and shit.
I can see your PC, you dumbass.
What camera
Show us the package already. I can literally see your keyboard. Show us the
Okay.
package already.
He's so mad.
I'm going to the fucking trash. And fucking.
Yeah, go to your home. Yeah, put it. Yeah.
What is he doing?
You literally couldn't take it out of the trash. You're literally. Okay, what does it say?
Oh no. Where is it?
Okay. I see it. Okay. I'm seeing.
Oh, Christ. I'm gonna...
If it fucking says to microwave, I swear to God, it does
Isn't
not.
shit-
I'm not
It's most likely
I'm
going
not
to.
seeing.
All frozen foods tell you to microwave it. But
Where?
it's always
Where?
better to put it in the oven. Like in America,
Where
they
is
have
it?
two
Shut
directions.
the fuck up!
They
I
have
don't
the
care about your
microwave
fucking dumbass
directions.
American. Shut the fuck up, United States. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Okay.
You don't have to say anything because you microwave everything you eat.
Look.
Yeah, you literally microwave pasta. You literally microwave. You literally microwave pasta. You literally microwave pasta.
Look at that. Look what it says right
Bro,
here.
Portuguese people are dumb. That's why the Swiss are better.
I join and Kuni like immediately leaves.
Okay, Clark. Okay,
Frame
Clark,
perfect.
Clark. What's going on is that Kuni
No, shut the fuck up, Dad. No,
Kuni
we're having a discussion.
microwave
Try,
pasta.
shut the fuck up. I hate you. I'm having a
It says
discussion.
you have to fucking microwave it.
Kunikii,
It says you microwave.
you don't
It
use
says
a
you
microwave.
It's right there. It's right there.
You literally use the oven. Portuguese
Oh.
people are so dumb. They use the microwave for everything.
Okay. Listen.
This is what the Swiss are better. Anything is better than the Portuguese.
Let's make a deal. You
Corn
can
flakes.
both oven. You can both oven.
No, you.
and-
No, you can't microwave. You can't microwave.
Let's just make it. Okay, listen. There's people who rather use the oven than the microwave, and there's
Because-
people
no.
who shut the fuck up.
Look,
for me.
I'm not shutting the fuck up. You shut the fuck up. You listen to me. You're
Oh my
literally
God.
younger than me.
No.
Shut the fuck up.
Listen.
Shut the fuck up.
No, there's people that want to use the microwave.
Because
Like
they're
me.
lazy like you. They're stupid.
No.
They're Portuguese. You're literally
No, there's
They're
people
literally
that
Portuguese
No.
and they're lazy and they don't know how to cook.
No.
It's
That's
literally the
literally only
Portuguese.
Clark,
people.
it's
Oh
been
my
like this
God.
for 2 hours.
No,
2 actual hours. No
Oh
way.
my God. No,
I refuse
no.
to believe that.
No.
And what's
Listen.
worse
No.
is that I pissed
Kunikii,
him off
Kunikii,
for
shut the fuck up and listen to me. Listen to me.
Oh
Listen
my
to
God.
me.
No,
I'm in a
you
real
listen
game.
to me, you fucking
No wait,
psycho.
no,
I've
you
been
listen
trying
to
speak
me.
for
You're
fucking
literally
2 hours in a
young.
row.
You shut the fuck up.
Okay,
Shut the fuck up and listen to me.
Dad. Oh,
I'm not fucking listening. You microwave. You
There's-
microwave
there's
lasagna.
two
You
types
microwave
of
pasta.
people. There's
You
two
microwave
types-
pasta.
There's 2 types of people.
Yeah, the dumb people that use a microwave, and the chat Sigma males they use a fucking oven. You're literally lazy. You have no taste buds. You have no brain. You'll probably cook it on the microwave as well. You probably microwave your brain.
Oh my god.
Stupid ass. You literally don't microwave shit.
Microwave your brain.
You literally microwave his brain.
Actually, true.
Do I actually need to go back to the
Microwave.
I'm not lying. This has been going on for hours.
fucking... Do I need to fucking go back to show you that it says that I need to microwave?
Because the people are dumb and lazy and can't
No.
use an oven.
Huh?
Literally the
And
Portuguese.
I'm
They
gonna-
literally
oh
say
my
I'm
God. Oh my
Portuguese
God.
for
Oh
some
my
reason.
God.
Because
Oh
the
my
Portuguese
God.
are fucking dumb.
God.
The Swiss are better.
Look at my,
See, this is what
look
the
at my
Swiss are
fucking
better.
shoe. I'm
I
gonna
don't-
show you how.
Okay, shut. Okay, what is it? Wow, little let's go farmskins.com.
Why are there so many CSGO bookmarks? One there.
100 farm.people.e
Okay.
100 and wait
And-
181 centimeters in feet. Can you run
Okay.
it? Can I run it? Can
Do
catalog.
you
Do you Spain? Spain.
you my
Do you microwave?
Babe.
No, you don't microwave
Oh.
sushi.
the eat a frozen food? Alright, let's Louis. Let's
Watch
Louis.
it say put it in the oven.
Alright, so
Only some.
Stop!
That's not all of them.
That's some.
Actual maggots.
Get the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up!
Okay, Kunikii.
Okay,
Kunikii,
I know
listen
it
to
says
me.
some.
Listen to
I
me.
know it
no,
says some.
no,
But
no,
that's what I'm
Kunikii.
trying to say.
Kunikii.
Some,
Kunikii. No, wait.
some,
No, wait. Just listen to me. Let's do this. Wait, let's do
Alright,
this.
let's make
Okay.
a deal.
No,
Let's make a deal.
no. Wait. Before you keep talking, let me listen to me. Listen to me. It's really fast.
Oh my god.
Just listen
Let's
to
make
me.
a fucking deal.
No,
Oh my
wait.
God.
Look at no voice. Look at no voice. Look at no voice.
Shut up,
Look at no
shut up.
voice. Okay, no. Wait. Look at no voice. Just look at no voice. Okay. Okay, look. If you use the oven, okay. Let's say you can use microwave, okay? Okay. Let's say you go on oven. This is the food that comes out, okay? Okay, look at that. That's good, right? Okay. Imagine that's like the food that you like come out the oven, right? Okay. This is the type of food that would come out of a microwave. Look how bad it looks. Look how bad it
True,
looks.
actually. This happens
Literally
to me
what
on the
you eat.
Eric.
It literally looks like microwave food. You know, this is the difference.
Look! Frozen microwave!
That's only
It
a
literally
cheese
looks
food.
and tastes like
Shut
shit.
up, man.
Look at the cheese, it's not even melted.
This is
Pizza,
in
you-
Portugal, that's like
Look,
the
What happens to your body when you eat microwave meals? No, go down, no, you know what, no, go down, you stupid motherfucker, you can't use a PC, right?
Let's look
You
at
probably
the
can't use a PC because it
Look,
doesn't look
you're
like an
my-
oven.
Okay, so it says right here some. Fab, let's make a deal. Some,
No,
alright?
no, wait.
Oh my god, you are driving me insane! I'm losing my ball!
No,
It says,
wait.
It says right here, some.
Wait. No, wait. Look at no.
I wonder what his parents thinking right now.
No, look at me. If you if you cook on the microwave, it looks like shit. It tastes like shit, and it'll smell like shit. If you use the oven or a frying pan or any method that isn't the microwave, you're fucking or your fucking farts.
Look,
it smells.
this is the food.
tastes-
This is this is what it
That's
looks
the
like.
type of food that-
Look,
that's the
this is
type
what
of
it
food
looks
that
like.
tastes like
This
shit.
is what it looks like when it microwave. It's
Literally
so
not
tasty.
microwave. Literally
Look,
not microwave.
Look at this one. Yeah. Look, it's so good.
Oh
This
my
is
god, it
literally
looks so
false.
bad. It looks so
This is
bad.
actually,
It
like,
looks like
false
my fucking
information.
nails.
None
It
of this
looks
was
like
made in an
fucking
actual
nails.
microwave.
None of
Look,
that was made in a
like,
microwave, Kuni.
Yes,
None of
it
that was
was.
made
Yes,
in
it
a
was.
That's
microwave.
literally just
Look,
false
what is
information
your-
on the
You're
internet.
literally believing what you see on the internet.
Look, two secrets. Wait, hold on. Look, two secrets tip to reheat the food.
That's reheating, not cooking. Idiots.
Yeah,
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 you reheat.
literally.
Look,
Okay,
literally.
you want to
This
know
is-
what the
this
true
is what
use
happens.
of a microwave is? To reheat foods that, like, leftovers.
Yeah, it's not for
You
cooking.
use it for
You don't
leftovers.
use it on food that you can cook, like lasagna, pizza, burgers, anything that tastes good when you microwave, or use any other method like microwaving. So
Oh,
you don't
okay,
fucking microwave
read
pasta.
Read this shit. If you microwave with a small amount of water, essentially steamed food, you'll retain more vitamin. That means
What's
you
this
get
have
more
to do with
vitamin.
Vitamin.
That
Vitamin, by
means
the
you
way.
get more if you microwave.
Dude, this
Microwave
isn't
your
cooking.
fucking food.
This is literally
Wait.
like not even cooking. It's just microwaving.
Look, remember when you told me you microwaved pasta? Does your microwave pasta look like this? It looks like shit on the bowl. Like it looks like
That's
pasta on the.
It literally
Who
just
the
looks like you
fuck
put the pasta in the
microwaves
bowl. And like
You
didn't even
literally said you
microwave
microwave pasta.
I don't microwave pasta.
You literally said you
never did.
microwave pasta.
I don't microwave it. I don't.
You literally say you. You literally said you microwave pasta.
Shut up.
Oh my god, he's losing his mind.
Kunikii,
It's
look,
right here.
look
If you
at me.
microwave
Look, no, shut the fuck up.
everything,
Shut the
more
fuck up.
vitamin.
You
Everything
microwave
else.
user, you Portuguese microwave user.
Whenever you
Shut
get
the fuck up.
food, you lose nutrients. If you cook, if you
Whenever you
microwave,
cook
get
food, you have
more.
loss
You
of
retain
nutrients.
more.
Dude, this is
Literally
actually
says
false
you have
information
loss
on
of
the internet.
If you
nutrients.
microwave,
Literally
you
says
gotta
you have
do
loss
more.
of
If
nutrients.
you cook, you lose. If you cook food, you lose. If you microwave, you more. You more microwave.
You're more, by the way. Anyways.
where it says,
Look,
wait.
Better in a microwave. Look, but big microwave cooking times are shorter. See,
You're
shorter,
just
so
believing
safe
everything you read. Oh my
Shut the
goodness.
fuck up, clock. You're not a
Why
clock.
do you believe everything?
Oh my god. Look, cooking in a microwave. It's a parent's job.
No, wait, Kunikii. It literally, on top, it literally says, no.
Give you my
Fuck.
Give you my
Look, it literally says, whenever you cook food, you'll have some loss of nutrients. You need nutrients, you fucking stupid
It
ass.
sounds painful.
Someone should record this.
I'm
No.
kidding.
Yeah.
You literally, you said you preheat pasta. Like, there's things you can preheat on, no wait, there are things you can preheat on the microwave, but if you preheat pasta,
Please
it
record.
tastes like shit, it feels like shit, it's hard as shit.
I ate my lasagne.
You probably
There you go.
put your dick and balls in the microwave.
It said right there, you microwave the lasagna for 3 minutes, and I did that.
You microwave your balls for 3 minutes as well.
Yeah,
You probably microwave your brain for an hour and put it back on your...
Open your fucking balls to see if your mouth is fucking dead.
You probably testicles on that shit.
Well, okay, if you don't microwave food, then what the fuck are microwaves for?
To reheat
Literally
leftovers.
reheat food that you can't
Shut the
reheat.
fuck up, Trev, you're not part of this.
You're literally screaming at a woman. Look how
I don't
you
fucking
literally.
get a woman, she's a man.
Oh man, what?
Trad is a man now. But look, Kunikii, if you take pasta and reheat it on the fucking if you reheat pasta on microwave, it tastes like shit. It's a bad example of what to do with the microwave.
Okay,
If you
but
you know
shut
what,
up.
put your testicles in that shit, cut them off, put those testicles, and see what happens.
I'll put your fucking mom in the fucking oven to see if you like to eat her. She's gonna be melting from the fucking heat.
Holy shit. Oh
Just
my
put
god.
your fucking testicles in there.
Yeah, put your mom in the fucking oven so Bruce is gonna be.
At least it's gonna taste well. Your testicles gonna look like shit. It's not even gonna look like cum. It's gonna look like shit. Shit, explosion.
Yeah, you
Burn shit.
Oh, you piece of shit. You look like a shit. Shit.
You probably microwave your brain like an hour ago. How do your brain taste like?
It tastes better than your mom's pussy.
Well, you see.
That's so fucking awful.
Well, you see, you microwave food, so I bet you don't get pussy.
Cootie's been hurting all day because, like, it all started with me beating him in fucking Funky Friday 3 times in a row.
You're literally bad at the video game because you probably microwave your brain and finger.
Oh no, you're gonna make him mad.
Don't try to fucking
But it's important to talk about this. I don't want you to microwave everything you look at. Look
Okay.
at this pasta.
Okay.
Look at this pasta leftovers. What about a microwave? And then boom, it looks like fucking shit. It's as hard as a fucking erect dick. It doesn't taste well.
Okay, but people have different tastes. You can like avocado.
Stupid. They're probably adopted. They probably live in an orphanage.
Okay. There's 2 types of people. People microwave, people oven.
Yeah, people that have parents and the people that are fucking adopted. You're probably fucking adopted.
Okay, fam. You don't like microwave pizza, microwave food.
Parents.
Oh my god, I don't care about the pizza. That was a fucking misplaced. I don't care. Okay, there's people like you that don't like the
Holy
microwaved
shit.
food. Okay, now it's fucking muted. I won this argument.
You literally
Okay.
microwave.
Shut the
You literally
fuck up.
microwave,
Okay.
so you don't
Fab,
win shit. You
Fab,
don't win
Fab.
pussy.
Okay. Okay, listen to my argument. There's
No,
people.
you're literally adopted.
Oh my god, shut the fuck up!
See?
Okay.
See what he said? See
I
what,
don't care about
see what,
fucking
see what
Zaz.
Zaz said?
He's like 1
see what
person
Zaz said?
7.9 billion!
See what Zaz said?
But I don't care
Zaz
about what's
fucking
opinion.
smart. You know why? He's not fucking Portuguese like you.
Okay. Oh. Okay, let me try to tell you what was I
No,
gonna
shut
say.
the fuck up.
Oh my god.
Shut the fuck
Oh
up.
my
You literally
my
microwave
God.
lasagna.
There's people who microwave and there's people who oven.
Yeah, the people.
Oh my
Yeah, the people
God.
who microwave that, and the people that didn't microwave, they're fucking
Okay.
great.
Okay. Oh my god.
Just microwave yourself and taste, and see how good it tastes.
Bro. Okay. Alright. As I was trying to say,
No, shut the fuck up. I don't want to listen to you. I don't want to listen to
there's
you.
there's
You
two fu- okay.
microwave. You
Okay,
microwave
look,
lasagna, and you even
Stop.
cut it on
Stop.
cube. Who
Stop.
eats lasagna like you
Stop.
did? Who
Stop.
eats? No. Who
What do you
cuts
mean?
lasagna into cubes and eats it like that?
What the? How the fuck do you want me to fucking eat that lasagna very good?
Who cuts lasagna like this?
How the fuck do you
like
want me to
this?
eat it? How do you eat
With
it?
your fucking mouth and not cut it like this,
How do you want me to cut it?
monster. You're literally falling into a trap.
Oh my god.
Exactly. You see, monster. You're literally so smart. You're literally not Portuguese. See?
Okay, but what does nationality have to do with the fucking how people microwave and you're fucking Swiss and live in Portugal. Oh.
I'm Swiss.
Yeah, you're
Smart. I'm fucking smart.
Oh my god.
Learn how to use a fucking oven, you dumbass.
I'm not gonna fucking oven it. I'm gonna burn my fucking house.
Okay, burn it. Burn it to
No.
Chris.
I'm gonna microwave.
Might as well just microwave your brain. Fucking dumbass. That is literally telling everything you need to know about an oven.
Yeah, because I microwave the fucking food for their time that says in the.
Okay, no, wait. Okay, let's say this. No. Okay, wait.
If you look in the package, the package says
listen to me.
to microwave your frozen food for at least a
Kunikii.
three and a 5 minutes.
Okay, sure. Okay. But just listen to me. I have a question. If you have leftovers, let's say steak. You have steak leftovers, okay? But let's say steak, because it's important there. Do you microwave the steak?
Yes.
It's gonna look like a fucking stew!
Okay,
It's
how do
gonna
you
taste
want
like a stew!
Okay, how do you want me to? Okay, let's say I have a big steak. I eat half of it, and I'm gonna use the other half for later. How do you want me? Okay, so the other half is gonna get frozen. Okay, I'm gonna put it at the fridge. How do you want me to eat that if I can microwave it? Apparently, your stupid theory.
You see, but the thing is like, if you take a steak, let's say it's medium rare, okay? If you taste it, it's gonna taste like, it's gonna taste and look like a rare steak. A rare steak sucks,
Oh my God.
okay?
If we're gonna talk about
It literally
Oh.
feels like a shoe, a sole, a shoe, whatever.
Okay. What about milk? How do I get my milk warm? Do I
Look, it's not a leftover. That's the only usability of a fucking microwave. It's not for fucking things that you can use the oven and make it taste good.
Yeah, I put my milk on the oven. Are you mad about it? Are you mad
Okay,
about that?
no. Okay, let's say this. You take the dough for You take dough for bread. Do you microwave the bread dough?
Okay, no, that's just two different things. Okay.
No.
No.
Yeah,
Fab,
milk
Fab,
is
my
not a
God.
leftover.
Okay, Fab. Okay,
Oh my
if
god,
we're
I'm
gonna
trying to
talk
beat a
about
boss
bread,
and
if we're
shit,
gonna,
fucking arguing.
if we are talking about bread, all right.
The reheating is
No.
different from cooking.
Oh my god.
Reheating is
I
different.
didn't say I
from-
was cooking it. I said I was gonna heat it too, so it's hot, so I
Okay,
can
but
eat it.
I'm saying the whole point of this is because you microwave the lasagna. It's frozen and you cook.
Okay.
It's cooking.
Yeah.
No, wait. That is cooking. It's not reheating. Okay?
Fab.
But
Fab.
no. Listen. No. Keep listening to me. This is what he did was cooking. Do you cook
I
bread?
wasn't cooking. I was. Oh my god. Okay, let me explain that one. I never said I cooked pizza. I cooked frozen food with a microwave because
You literally search. Can you cook frozen food on a microwave? You never. No.
Oh my god.
No.
Okay, okay, fine,
No.
fine,
You
fine,
literally cook.
Forget that.
You.
Forget that. Forget that.
Oh my gosh.
But you microwave lasagna. No.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. There's okay.
Out of breath, bro.
Oh my god.
Lily microwaves his brain. Are you good, bro? Did the microwave lasagna do anything to you?
Chill.
I wonder what Nave was thinking, god.
Man, you gotta
Kunikii?
chill with the
Oh?
fucking
Oh, he just probably passed out from the screaming.
Please make
Huge
sure
L.
you do roll
Huge
call
microwave lover, L.
Microwave hater.
Literally make me a microwave hater. Sigma male roll, please. I need it.
Microwave is good if you need to like.
Yeah,
melt
but it's
butter
not good
and
for
shit like that.
cooking.
You just-
It's
actually,
not good.
butter, chop
No,
it.
wait, Trad. Okay, Trad. As I said, there are things microwave is good for.
Yeah, I
Heating
know.
some food. One example is milk, or like
Cooney's
whatever.
lost his mind.
Milk thing, milk from example. Milk is good for microwave, but you don't put pizza on a microwave. Okay, that's my point. You don't put pizza
Yeah, I know.
slash hamburger slash pasta slash lasagna on a microwave.
He's not listening.
I'm literally talking to you, Trav.
His brother.
Okay, by the way, did anybody record that?
No. Plex, you're the best, please. Who was this?
Somebody send the recording to Local, please.
Yeah,
He doesn't
send
know
it,
what's going on.
please.
I muted Cootie.
Between F and F.
Okay, local. Since you're here right now, I gotta tell you what's going on. So pretty much what's happening is Fab and Cooney were arguing because Cooney microwaved lasagna to eat
It
and
looks
Fab
like
was
shit.
like,
It looks
"Gross."
like shit. No. Look at this. It looks and feels like shit, bro. It looks like shit to me. Not even any crispy part because it literally is undercooked,
It
probably.
looks so soft.
It looks undercooked.
Looks like mush.
It looks undercooked.
It's been like this ever since you left. Ever since you left, it's been this.
To be honest, it looks like ravioli, but like the filling in the ravioli pop.
New event.
It literally looks undercooked.
It
Literally
looks like the
looks
kind of food you would
undercooked.
eat only if you hated yourself.
How?
It literally has the crispy parts. You know the little charred parts that are like you get when you use an oven?
Okay,
Yeah,
but there.
that one.
Oh my
Yes, it's so nasty.
How?
It's literally
Ah.
nasty.
Okay, now I want to see Zach how he fucking cooks his frozen burger.
Okay, Zach, please, please, Zach,
He
please.
says he put it. He said he fucking like fucking.
Okay, Zach. Okay, we're doing it on camera tomorrow. We're gonna watch. I need to
Like,
watch that and
what the
show
fuck do you-
Kunikii how.
How do oil pot work? What the fuck is that?
Cooney, do you know how to preheat an oven?
What?
He doesn't even know
No.
what an oven
I don't even
is.
know what that means.
He probably doesn't even know what an oven looks like.
Cooney, what shape is the oven?
It's like a square.
Okay. Okay. And how get more detail. Get more detail.
So it's a square, and it has like the little circles thing used to like for the heat or something.
or
And then-
something.
For the heat, and then there's like the inside of it. There's like a thingy to put your tray for the cook to like the heat.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
then it's-
exactly.
and
The tray, the thing.
Fuck up!
Literally, the only place you put
It's
The place-
it's literally the
place you
same.
put the
Oh my
lasagna
God, I
on.
was
That's the
fucking
place. That's the place you put your lasagna or pizza at. You don't put it on the microwave because it's gonna
yeah.
taste and look like shit.
Oh yeah, that's weird. Cause there's a fucking same thing for the microwave. There's also a tray. Did you know that? Did you know that
Yeah,
you can-
but you see, the difference is that the microwave is a fast way of eating food, while an oven is an even way to cook
Okay.
food.
Yeah, okay, you're right. Now, let's go back to when I made the lasagna. It was
Uh-huh.
frozen white, and I
Yeah.
didn't want to cook it. I wanted
And now
to
it looks under.
unfroze
It now looks.
up for
It
once,
looks
you
like
fucking
shit.
faggot, I swear
Undercooked
to
shit.
God.
It looks like
Okay,
undercooked
whatever.
shit.
That's how I eat my food. Okay, so
You
it
eat
was-
undercooked food.
whatever. I eat. Okay, so it's
It
frozen.
looks
Oh
undercooked
my
to me.
fucking god! When
It
you
looks-
shut up for once. Holy
You're never
shit,
gonna
you
shut
never-
up until you stop using a microwave.
Okay, but let me explain my point.
No.
It's frozen, right? It's frozen, right? So if it's frozen,
Yeah.
the way I wanted it to stop being frozen is to heat it up.
Oh.
And how did I heat it up? With a microwave.
Oven.
Oven.
Microwave. Microwave.
Oven.
Microwave.
Oven.
Oven.
Oven. Literally, literally like 5 people against one or two.
Fuck everyone in this call. Fuck everyone. Fuck everyone.
Oh my
Fuck
god.
everyone.
You see, I think I win this. Do I get a microwave discussion argument winner? Please.
Oh,
Oh my god. Microwave! Microwave!
Plex, please tell me you have the video. I need it. I need a video,
Screaming
Plex.
microwave! 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 Microwave!
I'm recording for like 40 minutes.
Oh my god. I'm just like I'm playing Muck while all of this is going down.
You still playing Muck?
I died, so I had to restart, but like, I'm doing good.
If you could have told me, I could have played.
Oh, I'm sorry. I mean, actually, it probably would have been better off if you didn't join, because I feel like you would spawn a bunch of bosses, and I'm not down for that.
I have never spawned a boss before I have gear and all. I am a good gamer. I finished the game. I know how to play the video game.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh.
Okay, Plex, you have the video. I need the video.
Yeah.
I need. Please, please,
I can't send it.
please. I have friends that need to show